Today, I'm going to show you how to restore a backup on Cloudways step by step so you can quickly recover your website if anything goes wrong. First, log into your Cloudways account and navigate to the Screen Servers tab. Select the server where your website is hosted, since backups are managed at the server level. Once inside your server management, find and click on the backup section. Here you'll see a list of all your available backups. Cloudways automatically creates daily backups, and you can also create manual backups anytime. Look through the backup dates and find the version you want to restore. This could be a recent backup before you made changes or a point in time where your site was working perfectly. Next, click the restore button next to the backup you want to use. Cloudways will ask you to confirm the action because restoring the backup will overwrite your current website data. So make sure you're restoring the correct backup. Once confirmed, Cloudways will start the restoration process. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of your website and backup. After the process completes, your website will be reverted to the exact state it was in at the time of that backup, including all files, databases, and configurations. It is a great safety net if you accidentally break your site or want to undo recent changes. Remember, it's a good idea to create manual backups before major updates or installations so you always have a restore point. That's it. Restoring backups on Cloudways is simple and reliable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe and check for more tutorials in the near future.